Recently, I was talking with my friends, and they said Chinese use WeChat to talk with their colleagues or boss for work. This really surprised me. In America, the most common way to talk with people about work is not through text or calls on your cell phone or something like WeChat, but instead through email. Why is that? In America, workers spend 6.3 hours per day on average checking their email. That means over 75% of Americans' workday is spent looking at their email.
Talk with people about work. 与人们谈论工作，谈论与谁谁谈论，谈论什么什么内容，是分别用两个介词 talk with, about something, talk with somebody with about something. Next one, text or cell or calls. 微信或打电话。Next one, through email. 通过电子邮件。注意用的介词是 through. Next one, WeChat 是微信的英文表达。